Sesame AI Glasses review, full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the Sesame AI Glasses pair lightweight audio eyewear, no visual display, with a voice first AI assistant named Maya. Built by Oculus co-founder Brendan Tribe's startup, they aim to deliver natural conversational AI, wearable all day and responsive to your environment. So the strengths and the highlights are early testers describe Maya as uncanny, generating engaging roleplay and dynamic dialogue. Voice feels more human and immersive compared to Alexa or Gemini styles, and always wearable form factor, like designed for daily wear, integration audio and voice interactions seamlessly. Team plans to open Maya's model and support 20 plus languages in the upcoming updates. And uh, how it compares with competitors like Raven. Meta uses Meta AI for vision based look and ask, works well with real world context but limited in conversational depth. And Sesame's demo leads in pure dialogue quality, even better regarded than Hume AI and Meta Voice, according to users. So Sesame AI glasses stand out as the most human AI wearable, yet Maya's conversational nuance is groundbreaking. However, the product is still in demo form with no confirmed launch date, hardware, or polished software. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.